I'm in an attic and that's making me whisper, but I don't really actually know why it's making me whisper, but there it is. Anyway, I'm here to talk about Clue 6 or Hint 6, and it's a lot like Hint 4, and it's based on this card. And this card is kind of has a lot of information in it because if you look at the blue thing on the bottom of the blue, not thing, the blue stamp, if you read it, it'll tell you that the postmark on the Chimaterna postcard didn't actually appear. And so therefore it tells you that that postcard was mailed in November. So why would we tell you that? So for those of you who have not yet figured out what all those numbers and symbols mean, that's a really important thing to pay attention to. But it also says something else below the surface, which is that if you look at the initial letters of that entire stamp, you'll learn something. There's a sentence there, and it talks about how the initial letters will take you to a place. It says initial letters, not characters. Initial letters will take you to a place. So the initial letters of what? Well, I invite you to consider that each of the 14 cards has a name or a title. So what happens if you look at that? And what are the relationships between all those letters to each other or to other markers or just one marker or to all of them? But play around with that. What can you find? And where does it take you? And if you go there, you'll be a long way further. So that is Hint 6.